welcome to MasterChef on the House. Hey everyone, welcome back to the last episode of MasterChef in the House. By this time, you probably have found out who is my favorite cook on MasterChef Australia show. Please comment down below what's your favorite contestant. Today, we're gonna cook an everyday Vietnamese dish. I'm not talking about chicken, not beef, not pork. Yes, that's fish. So soy sauce fish with ginger and garlic. Let's get into it. For the fish, you can ask the seafood shop to prep them into fillets for you. So I have them already here. I washed them and put it on a paper towel to rinse the water. And then making the soy sauce marinade, I have already diced the ingredients here, but I will put the instructions down below for you to easy to follow. So yeah, let's make the sauce. Let's turn the pan to medium heat. First, I'm gonna wait for the pan to heat up. For that, I'm gonna put some olive oil. Not too much. Just about a teaspoon of olive oil. Oil has heated up the pan, so I drain some of the oils out. So like we try to keep it a little bit minimal, but still keep the flavor tasty. I'm gonna put the onion and garlic into that. I'm gonna stir fry everything up. Next, I'm just gonna pour every ingredient in the soy sauce marinade into that. You're gonna put 1 tablespoon of rice vinegar, 2 tablespoons of soy sauce, 2 tablespoons of cooking wine, some oyster sauce, and I'm gonna put 1 tablespoon of sugar in that as well. So for now, we're just gonna leave the ingredient like this, but later feel free to adjust here and there so that you get the flavors of your liking. So next, we're gonna put the foil onto the steamer like this. And then I'm just gonna get some boiling water over here. Next, I'm just gonna put the fish into the steamer. That's pretty dry. And then to season with some salt, just like this. And like a pinch of the stock, you can put some veg stock here, just for some seasoning. Beautiful. I'm gonna put 1 slice of ginger into the pot. Finally, we're gonna pour the sauce over the fish. And everything together. Now we're gonna leave it for about 8 to 10 minutes and then it should be squeezed. In the meantime, I just get the rest of the ingredient ready for the last touch. To do that, for ginger, I also slice into like pieces like this, and then you can cut the ginger in smaller slices. Beautiful. I don't want to cut it too small so that like later you can take the ginger out. For the spring onions, just get rid of the root. And similarly, I'm just gonna use this part of the white yams. And then I'm gonna use the pesto to smash them all out. So the fish is almost ready. I'm just gonna make the last touch, which is like a little blend of ginger and garlic oil to pour on top. Then mix all together. I put some more garlic paste. I also rinse a little bit of oil. I'll pour slightly bit of water. This is where we have to take here when we pour later. Wow! Look, all of this. That's very nice. The squeeze, some of the lime juice on top. And last but not least, we're gonna pour. And voila! god, look at this beauty! To your nose, you can feel the pepper, the gingery flavors of onions and garlic, and especially the soy sauce marinade. Let's begin. So, if up to your liking, next time you can stir fry the spring onions a little bit so it's all cooked. Well, I hope you enjoyed these 4 episodes of MasterChef in the house. Hope you have a great experience cooking amazing Vietnamese food and also a little bit spicing up with healthy-ish versions. Thank you so much for watching and making all the dishes with me throughout all the series. I'll see you in the next video with new content. See you next time. Bye!